Yes, Chris, I hope you're well. They've definitely made some noise. Unior's CNC machined aluminum bottom bracket socket. Let's take a look at them.
All models of bottom bracket sockets are precision CNC machine tools for installation and removal of different external bottom bracket cups. They are made of aluminum billet and anodized red for durable finish and precise fit that won't damage aluminum external bottom bracket cups. They are variable in 5 different standards: BB9000, BBR60, 16 notches, FSA 30, and Mega-Evo. All bottom bracket sockets feature knurling on the side of the socket to create a better grip when threading cups by hand. For further tightening, all sockets have a 1/2-inch square drive to be used with torque wrenches, ratchets, or fixed handles. And let me tell you, it is perfect with Unior's new electronic torque wrench.
All good. The only unfortunate thing is that there is 5 types of BB sockets and I only can juggle with 3. Anyways, I love them. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you next time.